Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, please click that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Well going guys, today we're going to be doing some red peas, some rice and peas, but this is the kidney bean I'm using. You can use the round red if you have the round red. So guys, let's get into the video right now. So guys, as you can see here, our water is already boiling up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic. So there are a few simple ingredients that we'll be using today: garlic, ginger, scallion, thyme, and pimento seed. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to toss in our peas. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys on the other side when this is ready. So hey guys, so we are back and our peas is ready. Woo! So our peas is ready. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add our coconut milk. So this is 2.5 cups of coconut milk, rich and nice. So I have some warm water here on the stove, so I'm just gonna take a little bit in there and wash out the rest of the coconut milk, as we're not wasting no plan and my time. And I'm gonna go in with that also, my pimento seed, and my butter. Then we're gonna go in and we're gonna add our salt. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt to our pot. So guys, I have my butter, salt, pimento seed, scallion aka green onion, and thyme. And I normally drop some cloves in here too. Yeah, that's about it. Yes, everything is perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wash our rice. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna drop our green pepper in there. We're just gonna cover that and let it cook a little. Okay guys, so now that this is everything in properly in there, also our ginger and garlic powder, garlic. Now we already wash our rice and we're using the jasmine rice or the basmati rice, any one of them. Those two are my favorites, so I'm gonna add that. So this is 2.5 cups of rice. Well, now I want no rice really. Just right. Okay guys, so now that we're finished with that, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to use it. Okay guys, look at the rice, Shelly, yeah. So thank you guys. This is my rice and peas. So I use the kidney bean. So this is what it looks like. So when it's finished, I remove my scallion. In time. So look at that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love good, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. That's a close-up of my rice and peas. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful night or day. Pause. Love you.